Discover the untapped goldmine of AI content no one is talking about. What if I told you there's a secret TikTok strategy that's generating thousands each month for creators smart enough to use it? Stop scrolling. This isn't another generic AI video. I've discovered a completely untapped niche where AI-generated content is absolutely crushing it on TikTok, with virtually zero competition. While everyone else is fighting over saturated niches, these creators are quietly banking serious cash using one simple tool that transforms ordinary content into scroll-stopping masterpieces. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment, technical expertise, hours of editing time, just this one method I'm about to show you. Look at this TikTok account I found. They're pulling in thousands monthly using this exact strategy, and almost no one knows about it yet. This is your window of opportunity before everyone jumps on this trend. The secret weapon, Pixverse. Forget those basic AI generators everyone's using. We're leveling up with Pixverse, a game-changing tool that makes content creation 10 times faster and more impressive. Look at these results. This isn't just another image generator. This tool automatically animates everything you create. No additional steps, no wasted credits. Let me show you exactly how it works. I'm going to recreate one of the most viral videos in this niche, the infamous mini Shreks terrorizing McDonald's that pulled in millions of views overnight. Watch how simple this is. Head to Pixverse, link in description. Enter your prompt, please draw loads of mini Shreks running into a McDonald's. Hit generate and boom. Unlike other tools that charge extra for animation, Pixverse does it automatically, saving you time and money. Don't miss your chance. I've put everything you need in my Telegram group, link in description. Complete step-by-step tutorials, my personal TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube courses, one-on-one support, exclusive list of 50+ profitable niches I've never shared publicly. This isn't like other AI tools that make you wait forever. Watch this. Boom. 5 seconds. That's all it took. Look at this result. This looks identical to those videos getting hundreds of thousands of views, the ones making creators serious money while they sleep. The secret sauce. Sound effects. Here's what 99% of creators miss. Sound effects change everything. I analyzed all the top-performing faceless TikTok accounts, and guess what they all have in common? Perfectly matched sound effects that make viewers feel something. Let me show you how simple this is. I'll just ask the AI to generate people screaming with excitement. That's the difference between average content and content that explodes, creating your viral storyline. Now let's build our story. For our next scene, we need Shrek inside McDonald's devouring some burgers. But check this out. Instead of creating sounds separately, I'll use this auto sound feature. It analyzes your image and creates the perfect sound effect automatically. These little details are what separate 10K view videos from million view videos. Unlimited creativity with one click. Not feeling this style? No problem. The insane part about Pixverse is the Restyle button. Watch what happens when I click Barbie style, completely transformed in seconds. You can match any trending aesthetic without starting over. Just reference the viral accounts, recreate their winning formula, and make sure your video hits that magical 1-minute mark for maximum algorithm boost. Putting it all together. Now that I have all my scenes ready, I'll quickly show you how to edit them in CapCut. Import all your Pixverse creations, arrange them in order on your timeline. Make sure your transitions flow naturally. Export and watch the views roll in. And there you have it. A completely unique, algorithm-crushing video that took minutes to make. Remember, this opportunity won't stay open forever. The smart creators are jumping on this now. Join my Telegram community for one-on-one coaching and my complete TikTok course that shows you exactly how to monetize this method. Hit subscribe if you want more game-changing strategies like this one. See you in the next video.